Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to turn off Life360 location sharing if you need a break from tracking. So let's get started. First step is to pause the location setting. Open the Life360 application. Then tap on the setting gear in the corner. At the gear setting, click on the setting icon. Here, then select the location sharing. Here you will see the option called location sharing. Simply click on the location sharing. After that, from here you can toggle off location sharing for a specific circle. This way people in the chat circle won't see your location, but other circles will still work. Now step 2 is to turn off location completely. If you want to stop all location tracking, go to your phone setting, or you can simply turn it from here if you have Android phone, or you can go to the setting and search for location here and completely turn off from there. Or another step is to log out or delete the app. You can also log out of 360 under the settings. Go to the settings and you can log out from here. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off Life360 in different ways. Make sure to use this responsibly. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.